Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a deep condition on my hair. We're going to bring it from this to this. So first things first, I'm going to take my little mister and I'm going to dampen my hair only a smidgen bit. So what we're going to do, I wetted it down and I brushed it. We are going to add a bunch of different conditioners to my hair and leave it in there for 2 to 3 hours. So I have this day one, I have this Orby one, I have another Orby one, and I have a nice conditioner from when I dyed my hair. So I'm going to put this in my hair and I'll show you what it looks like. And my hair has so much conditioner on it. I tried to get like every last strand. I just showered and I shampooed and conditioned my hair again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it, put in some heat protectant spray, then we're going to blow dry and straighten it. It's all blow dried and styled, and as you can see, it looks super healthy and shiny, and this is my favorite trick to get my hair like all back to how I'd like it. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!